Dr. Bach Flower Remedies of England. We are now going to learn a few remedies for improving the performance of boys and girls in schools and colleges. Boys getting single digit mark in a few subjects and those failing in one or two subjects, they need the remedy chestnut bud. Now, don't rush to the hasty conclusion that by giving chestnut bud you can make all the boys and girls score centum marks in all the subjects. To start with, I said that chestnut bud is almost a specific for boys and girls getting single digit marks or failing in one or more subjects. Let us now examine another class of students. The mother says the boy will get 70 to 90% if he sits and studies well. He is an average student getting 40 to 55 marks in almost all the subjects. The problem with him is he takes more interest in reading novels, playing cricket, watching TV, video games and cell phones, mobile phones. The mother says if he sits and studies well, he will score even 90%. So he takes more interest in useless things such as playing cricket, watching TV or reading storybooks, etc. So for this boy we have to give scleranthus. Now another class or type of students, he is also an average student scoring anywhere between 40 to 55 marks. You ask him why not he also study well and score first rank mark like the other boys. His immediate reply is, they are all great, I can't be like them. This is inferiority complex, low estimation of self. For inferiority complex, the Bach remedy is large. Now again, don't rush to the hasty conclusion that by giving all the three remedies, chestnut bud, scleranthus and large, you can make all the boys score first rank marks. No, not at all. These remedies are highly individualized. There are no specifics. What happened in the case of a school class teacher, he started giving all the three remedies together, chestnut bud, scleranthus, large, to all the students in his class. What happened? Some of the boys who were scoring anywhere between 45 to 60, he failed. That class teacher immediately came running to me, sir, will these remedies act in a reverse manner in some boys? I asked him only one question, what did you do? Sir, you said chestnut bud, scleranthus, large. I gave to all the boys. So I asked him to bring before me the boy who failed, who was otherwise getting pass marks in all the subjects. When the boy came, I just asked him why did he fail. He immediately said, sir, fellows who do not know anything about chemistry have come to schools to teach chemistry, to cut my throat. In Tamil we say, சப்ஜெக்டே தெரியாதவன் எல்லாம் வாத்தியார் வேலைக்கு வந்து கழுத்து அறுக்கிறானுவ. The literal translation is, fellows who do not know anything about chemistry had come to the school as chemistry teacher to cut my throat. Now, this boy is blaming the teacher for his having failed in chemistry. For blaming others, the Bach remedy is Willow. Now, Willow was given to this boy, and in the next examination, he got first rank. Now, the list does not end here. I again repeatedly tell you, don't rush to the wrong and hasty conclusion that by giving chestnut buds, clanthus, larch and willow, you can make all the boys study well. No. Let us now turn to another type of boys. A boy was getting about 40 marks only in mathematics, and he was scoring good marks in other subjects. So I asked him, why is he not getting good marks in maths also? He at once said, sir, mathematics is boring. The school is bore. Syllabus is bore. Teachers are bore. For boredom, the Bach remedy is walnut. I gave him walnut. In the next exam, he scored first rank in maths. Without looking at the boy or the student and without listening to the words spoken by him, we cannot select a remedy. There are no set of remedies to make the boys study well. Many Bach remedies practitioners, with utter foolishness, they give chestnut buds, clanthus, larch and sell it for 2000 rupees, calling them as a study pack. This is intolerable, half-baked knowledge. Now, let us turn our attention to another set of boys. Here is a student scoring anywhere between 85 to 95. He says, sir, I want to get centum, but however hard I study, I am not able to get more than 85, 95. This boy needs the Bach remedy OAK, O-A-K. Now, I hope the reader understand what are Bach remedies. The entire humanity has been divided into 38 broad groups. For each type of person, there is a corresponding flower. All the 38 found together in one place called Mount Vernon, a small village in the interior thick forest. Now, this boy says he failed in physics. So I asked him, why did he fail? Immediately he replied, sir, I don't know. Who had discovered or found out this subject, physics? Who is he? Why should he write this tough subject and make it as a textbook? Now, he is going above the author of physics books or above the author of above the person who has devised the subject physics. I asked the father, was this boy class leader? He immediately said, sir, how do you know? He is doing long jump, high jump, managing director, team coach, then group leader. They are all LM type. So LM was given to this boy, and in the next exam he scored centum marks in chemistry. Now I hope the reader understand how to prescribe Bach remedies. There are no routinism, because some parents foolishly ask me, sir, send me medicines so that my boy may get sent up. How much money I have to send? Without looking at the boy or listening to the words told by him about his failure or getting less mark in subject, a Bach remedy cannot be selected. This must be constantly kept in mind. Now, let us go and examine two more remedies to know how Bach remedies are prescribed. These remedies are not prescribed on names of disease. There are no remedies for cancer as such. We say there are remedies for patients with cancer. What is the difference? A patient was with hip pain and with a walking stick came to my clinic. I gave him medicines. He paid the fees. When he was about to go, he turns back and looking at me tells, "Sir, even my enemy should not get this type of hip pain." Immediately I asked him to come in and sit down. I took back all the remedies given to him. Then I gave him one dose sweet chestnut, name of another Bach remedy. I asked him to sit there and take one more dose, that is 2 pills, after 5 minutes. But with the first dose itself, he felt so good. He exclaimed, "Sir, I am now able to stand without the aid of stick. My pain is gone." Now don't take notes that sweet chestnut is good for hip pain. A person, whatever may be his disease, he may be having cancer or he may be having ulcer or he may be having headache. If he says even his enemy should not get that type of suffering, that person should be prescribed the Bach remedy sweet chestnut. So here is a method, God-given method. There are no theories here. A method given by the Almighty where the patient indicates the remedy that we have to prescribe by the words told by him. Now, another case. This is a case of throat cancer. He came to me. I gave him some medicines. The rule is keeping silence himself. The practitioner allows the patient to talk whatever he wants to say without interrupting. Keep your mouth shut and closed. If you open your mouth, the case is closed and lost for you. This cancer patient, I gave some medicines. He pays the fees, and when he was about to go, see, normally patient tell the words for a Bach remedy only at the end of consultation or after we have prescribed. This man was having torturing throat pain because of radiation treatment in allopathy. He concluded saying, "Sir, no one should get this type of throat cancer." First person, hip pain patient said, "मेरा दुश्मन को भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Even my enemy should not get this type of suffering." That points to the remedy sweet chestnut. The second patient, throat cancer, said, "No one on earth should get this type of throat cancer." He is talking on behalf of the society. Whatever may be the name of disease a person suffering from, if he says at the end that no one should get that type of suffering, he is to be prescribed the Bach remedy rock rose. Rock rose cured his throat cancer. Now don't take notes that rock rose is for throat cancer. That is misguiding. This medical system will not tolerate routinism. even my enemy should not get this type of suffering, points to the Bach remedy, sweet chestnut. In Hindi we say, मेरा दुश्मन को भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Now if a person says no one should get the type of suffering which he is having, that man is to be prescribed rock rose. So these words we have already been hearing from time immemorial, and we did not give any significance to those statements. Now it is for Dr. Edward Bach to tell us that these remedies point to a particular Bach remedy. So if you say, if anybody asks you, sir, is there remedy for is there any remedy in Bach system for cancer? Is there any remedy for ulcer? We can't talk with them. We cannot educate him. So you have to ask him to sit down and narrate his suffering. Only at the end he will end up by uttering some words pointing to a Bach remedies. Now I hope the listener understands something about Dr. Bach flower remedies. Thank you.